United States, Miami, Florida. Imagine walking into a jaw-dropping penthouse in the heart of Miami, Florida, with a price tag of $50 million. This isn't just any property, this is a 6-bedroom, 9-bathroom masterpiece that stretches over an impressive 13,000 square feet. From the moment you step inside, you're greeted by floor-to-ceiling windows that give you a view of the stunning Biscayne Bay and the iconic Miami skyline. The sunsets? Unbelievable. The design is modern and sleek, blending luxurious marble finishes, polished hardwood floors, and recessed lighting that creates a cozy yet opulent atmosphere. And let's talk about the space. There's a sprawling open-plan living area, a private library, and even a home theater, perfect for a movie night with friends or a quiet evening alone. For those who appreciate the finer things in life, the amenities here are second to none. You can start your day with a workout in the state-of-the-art gym, followed by a refreshing spa session to melt away any stress. Feeling creative? You'll love the spacious art studio, perfect for painting or sculpting. The private elevator whisking you up to this sky-high sanctuary is just the beginning. Add in a rooftop terrace, multiple balconies, and a pool overlooking the ocean, and you'll have a life that's truly above it all. Miami's art, culture, and nightlife are right at your doorstep. But when you're ready to escape, you'll have your very own slice of paradise high above the city. This isn't just a home, it's an experience. Would you say yes to this Miami dream?